if you could control an RC car, a robot, or even a drone from kilometers away using a controller you built completely from scratch? Let me show you how I built this.
This is the RYLR998, a LoRa module made by Reyax. LoRa stands for long range, and it's not like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Wi-Fi gives you maybe 50 meters, Bluetooth about 10. But LoRa? This little module can transmit data up to 20 kilometers in open air. And Reyax was kind enough to send me 2 of these to build something cool. The RYLR998 runs on 3.3 volts, so I used a simple voltage divider on the TX line. For the receiver side, I'm keeping it simple. An Arduino UNO, an L293D motor shield, and another RYLR998 module.
All right, let's see if this actually works. So the controller works, the signal is solid, the range is insane. But here's the thing. This controller is not just for RC cars. With LoRa's range, you could control practically anything. So here's what I want from you. Drop a comment right now telling me which project you want to see next. The most requested one becomes the next video. And if you don't want to miss it, you know what to do.